Nirvana Bhakti Vedanta Swami Tamine Namaste Saraswati Deve Gauravani Prachayane Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Vachasade
Devi
Saraswati
Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha
Nirvishesha
Adi
Shunyavadi
Pashat Desatarine
Jai
Jai
Shri
Shri Krishna
Krishna
Chaitanya
Chaitanya
Prabhu
Prabhu Nityananda
Nityananda Shri
Shri
Advaita
Advaita
Gadadhara
Gadadhara Sivasari Gaura Bhakta
Srivasadi
Vrinda
Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Hare
Hare Krishna
Krishna Krishna
Hare
Hare Hare
Hare
Hare
Rama Hare
Hare
Rama Rama
Rama
Rama
Rama
Hare Hare
Rama Hare
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 Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare.
Very good. Okay, so we had Sudevi, your hands also has Mehndi on it.
Yes, Mataji.
Wow. What's the occasion?
There's no occasion. For me, Kartik is going on now.
Oh, and you, Samskriti?
Yeah, Kartik.
Yeah,
Okay,
it's for me, Mataji. It's for me in Australia. It
yeah,
started on
everyone. Kartik is
Thursday.
started for everyone, right?
Mataji, can I tell my thing?
Yes. I'm going to
Yeah,
spotlight
so
you.
for everyone, if it is Kartik month, we can do a Kartik month activity.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, I really wanted to have a Kartik special today, but then I thought like because we haven't done with the fifth revision, so then maybe next week we'll keep a Kartik, like the glories of Kartik month, we'll keep it, and then we'll have a activity based on that for Kartik month. Today also let's try to do something. We'll try to do something today, okay? Okay, so Tanvik wanted to share something. Yes, Tanvik.
So Mataji,
Mm-hmm.
I wanted to show you. I'm gonna show you what I did last year. I'm gonna show you what's done. It is this one. You see this one? It's this one.
Oh, the diorama.
This is the aroma. So
The diorama, yeah.
yeah, so when Krishna is behind his mother and he's stealing the butter and he's being chased by his mom and his mom ties him up and he leaves the two sons of Kuvera, and then this is a picture which I printed out and I get from pom poms.
Hi,
Can you
Mom.
show it again, beta? Can you show it, Tanvik? Can you show it again? Focus it directly on that.
It is this one. See it?
Can you take it yeah, can you take your laptop a little bit down?
This one, you see it? This is right.
Yes. Wonderful. Let me just spotlight you first, okay? Okay, so everyone, you can see this what Tanvik is showing you, right? So this is also called as a diorama. Okay. Now in this story, what is the scene which the scene which he has depicted is about the is it about Damodar month?
Yeah, it's about Kartika Masa.
Okay. Thank you, Tanvik. Thank you. Let me explain it to everyone now. Okay. So now what is the thing is over here, What? Okay. See, this what Tanvik has shown is how many of you are interested to do what Tanvik has shown? Okay.
Mataji, can I tell you the steps, Mataji, what is in the activity?
Yeah, first let me I explain them what that is, and then I want you to tell the details. Okay. So see, basically what Tanvik has shown us is also called as a diorama. Okay. Now what is a diorama is that when I read a book, okay, suppose a story book I'm going to read. Okay, now because Krishna book has the Krishna book has so many all the pastimes of the Lord, right? So any book when you read now, and it can be done for any book. Okay, so now because we are doing Krishna conscious related activities, so we are thinking about Krishna's pastimes. So suppose now I am talking about Kalia Daman. Okay, like how Kalia was subdued. So if I'm talking about that, then what all things will come into my mind? What are all the characters which come into my mind? Can somebody tell me when it is subduing Kalia? What all things should come into my mind?
Mataji Kalia.
Kalia should come. What else?
Who's subduing Kalia? So Krishna.
Krishna will come. Who else?
Brajabasis.
Brajvasis will come. Who else?
Kalia's wife.
Very good. Kalia's wife, the Nagapatnis will come. Who else?
Mataji the Yamuna.
Yamuna. Very nice. The Yamuna river will come. What else?
The gods watching from the sky.
Okay, very nice.
The gods
Mataji
watching from the
Nagapatnis.
sky.
Nagapatnis, yes, yes, and the what is it?
Kadambati.
Kadamba tree, very nice, awesome. What else?
Garuda.
Should we have the Yamuna, which is having the bubbles of because the poison which is released by
Oh, Mataji, the cows and the Gopal.
yes,
like
the cows,
the
very good, the
drank
cows and the
poison.
Gopals. Good, very nice, very nice. Right, so all these things are coming.
But Balaram, Nanda, Yashoda, Maya, and all the
Yeah.
Brajavasis.
Very
And
nice.
Mataji, also the gods coming from the sky, like to
Yes.
watch.
Yes. So all these are the characters which will come into your mind when you're reading the book, right? So now what is done, what is done is like all these, and there's only one Kadamba tree over there, right? Because of the poison of the river. So there is no more vegetation there. So what you have to do is, you can depict that in a place or in a card on a cardboard. And for this basically, now what Tanvik had done was he had a frame, a backstage, and then a base. Okay, so what you all can do is uh, if you have a shoe box, okay, let me get it for you and then I'll show you. Okay, one second, let me get it for you.
Mataji, it would be offensive if you put a picture of Krishna inside a shoebox. Mataji.
Okay, you know what, Suraj? We are not keeping shoes in that, right? The shoe box is the box when we get the shoes, and
Yeah,
then
Mataji,
you're
the
not
shoes
going
are
to
new. So like
you
you
are
didn't wear
not
it.
you are not going to keep the used shoes in that. Once you get a new shoe box, right, you are not going to keep your used shoes in that. So now this shoe box, it was used only to get the new shoes. Okay, and
Yeah,
if
but
at all you
Mataji,
feel,
they're still shoes. So like I think
if
there
you
would
feel
be.
that way, then you can use a box which comes with the Amazon packing. Okay, if you feel that way.
Okay.
Okay, if you feel that you do not want to use the shoe box, it is okay. Everybody might have a different outlook. If you feel that, okay, I do not want to use a shoe box, normally see what when we are doing is everything is made by Krishna, right? Everything is the energy of Krishna. It depends upon how you are looking at things. And it is okay if you have that view that, okay, it's a shoebox and I do not want to use it. That's also perfectly fine. And you always have so many of the Amazon things coming in your houses, right? So what you can do is you can use any of the Amazon packing bag boxes. So,
Mataji,
yes.
look. I
Yes.
got the box. Is it okay?
Not the Kellogg's box, beta, because what we have to do is, let me tell you exactly so that you can get an idea of what exactly we are trying to tell. Kellogg's box you cannot use because you need a depth for that box. Okay, depth for that box, that means it should be this way, like you are having space in over here, just like for when you made a temple for yourself, for your Lord, how you have place, right? So see,
Yeah.
this is one thing wherein it will have a depth. Kellogg's box will not have a depth, right, Palavrinda?
Yeah.
Kellogg's box will not have a depth into it. So
Mataji, Kellogg's boxes do have a depth.
it is, it will not have depth in sense, it will not have a height and a depth also. Okay, you need a height as well, because Kellogg's box is going to be only this much, isn't it?
Yeah.
Getting me? Right, so this has a height and you need a height so that you can show the sky, you can show the downs, the base or the earth, and then if it will anything which you want to show, you can have this. So this is one option. Or else, ideally what you are doing is, you are not going to spend money on getting things from outside, and you are trying to reuse things. So if I'm using it, see, my mentality would be that I got the shoes over in this box, but this box wasn't used for the used shoes, so it is as good as getting some goods for me. So I am okay to use this box. If you feel that you do not want to use a shoe box, you can do something else. But then it has a, this extra flap is there. So at all, if you feel that you can use this also in some way, you can use this extra covering also in some way. So once this box is got, now you know what things you are going to use, you know what characters are there. Then slowly what you do is, you are going to start to use this box to show any one part. Like now we are taking about subduing Kalia. So what do you think will be the background? Okay, so start collecting things for it. Yes, Tanvik, I'm going to ask you to explain. Okay, Tanvik. So for that, then you will have blue colored water, a little dark blue color to show the poison into it. Then you will have the sky, and in any magazines, that is the reason when you have Back to Godhead magazines or any magazines, if you have, or books which now you are not going to use, if there are some people over there, if there are some boys, girls, those pictures you can cut it out, and all those things you have to collect it. So it's not a one day activity, you should have an ongoing activity, and then you can keep it on the surroundings. So think about it, like what all will come. Then only one kadamba tree will come, so any tree which is there, that picture you can keep it over there. And then one part you can do it in parts, like okay, Krishna standing on the kadamba tree. Then in the second part you can show, okay, he has jumped over Kalia and now he is on the, you can make the snake also, right? Snake, how many of you think that you can make a snake out of any paper, right? Raghav also can make. Very nice, Raghav. Raghav, we are waiting for you to join the classes. The most active baby. So then we can have very nice, Suraj. Okay. So then you can have made that snake on the in the box and then stick it up with something. And then Krishna's small picture, and then you can have Krishna standing on it. So this is going to be a very creative work which you will do over a period of time. Okay. So now this is about what you can do. And then you can, like, you can cover the box with another chart paper if you want. And then you can show it as a different activity. Yes, Tushita beta.
I don't have a box.
Okay. Do you have any Amazon box with you? If you get,
I don't have any box.
you don't have any box. Okay. Then what you can,
You can use
If you don't have a box, you can make a box out of a tissue box.
yes, that is also there. Tushita, do you have a tissue box? You have a tissue box, Tushita? Can you show me a tissue box?
I have this box.
Yes, that is good enough. Can you open it? Yes,
Mataji.
Rudra. Very nice, Rudra. That is there. That's good. Yes, see, that box is also good, Tushita. But mom can tell you if because see, when you get some Amazon deliveries, you definitely get a box. You can try for that box. If at all that is not there, this box is also good. But this looks such a pretty box, right?
Mataji.
What do you use that box for, Tushita?
I use it for putting stuff in it.
Yeah. Do you have a tissue box, Tushita? Where tissues are
No.
kept? No tissue box?
My mom said that she will get a box.
Okay. Don't purchase anything. If you can reuse what is there at home, that would be the best. Okay.
Mataji.
Yes.
Mataji. Oh, I'm sorry,
Yes.
Mataji. I
No, no, no.
didn't.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
I was okay, Mataji. I was saying that we should like I forgot my
When you remember, tell me, okay?
okay, Mataji.
Okay, so everyone knows what we are doing. Now I want Tanvik to speak. Yes, Tanvik. Okay, who was it? Yes.
Can Shubhadra say something very quick until Tanvik says something?
Yes, Subhadra, go ahead.
So actually what is going to be the activity?
I'll tell you this activity because you all are interested in doing this. So we can do this as an ongoing project. So every week we will show what progress we have made. Okay. Before that, what we
Make something? Are we going to make something or are we going to write something or are we just drawing?
first we'll go stepwise because I told you, right, this is not a one day activity. So what I want you to do is I want you all to go stepwise. Like first it will be think about a story which you want to depict in the diorama. Okay. And then we will think about what today what we'll do is in a notebook we'll try to write it down. Okay, what all things we are going to need and which story you are going to select, and then we can move ahead. Is that okay?
Okay, Mataji.
Okay, so I want Tanvik to speak. Tanvik wanted to share something. Yes, Tanvik, go ahead.
Mataji, I got my question now.
Yes, Giridhari.
I was saying that I'm an expert at making snakes.
Okay, very nice. So you can help Subhadra in making snakes. Okay?
Okay, Mataji.
Okay, yes, Tanvik, go ahead. Speak up. So Tanvik is going to explain what he did and he's going to explain how it is done. Yes, Tanvik, go.
Mataji, in my Sunday class, so it was Diwali and it was Kartik Masa, and so actually the first step is you have any pot, if you have any atta flour or anything, you have to keep some water and you have to squeeze it as tight, and then you have to keep a hole, and then next you have to paint it with brown. Then you get some pom-poms and you have to keep it in the pot, and then you have to get some stripy thing which has sharp things and you have to keep it on it. And then you have a cardboard. I made it with cardboard, and you have to paint it, the grass and the sky, and then you have to then you print all the things, you print all the pictures, and to keep the first one, like first when Krishna came to his mom and he was stealing the butter and his mom was chasing him, and then he was tied by his mom, and then you leave Nalakuvera and Manigriva. So you have to print all those events, and then you have to decorate it, and you have to keep some pom-pom clouds on, and you have to some birds, and then you have to keep a sun, and that is the end of the activity.
Very good. Did you do all this on one day, or did you do it over a time, Tanvik?
I did like one day by one.
One day by one, right? Okay.
Yeah. It was a very tricky activity. I couldn't know how to make it, but my mom helped me. It was last year.
It was last year, right? Yeah, so this activity is really very nice. And I think, you know what, I think one time we had told this activity in the class. We had done it, but then only few of them had done this activity. I remember, I'm just trying to.
Hare Krishna Mataji, it's Deepak. Can I say
Yes.
something? I'm
Yes.
already making a theme for my picture. I'm already doing it.
Okay. Yeah, we are going to introduce that. And today we are going to do one more activity. Let me. Yeah.
Mataji,
Yes, Tushita.
I have my mom. I have a paper box.
Show me. Yeah. Show me.
It has sections.
Okay. I love your enthusiasm, Tushita. That is also good. If you want to do it in that, we can do that as well. Okay. You can use this base part. Okay. In this base part, let us see what we can do in that. Okay.
Yeah, but Tushita,
I-
you wanna use the side that is like flat, not the side that has sections.
Thank you, Suraj. Yes. Okay. And in the meantime, Tushita will have a job. She has to look around the house for different boxes which she can use, right? After the class. So Tushita will do a hunting around for a box. And I'm definitely sure Tushita will find a box, right? If you can find an Amazon box, that would be great. If you can find a tissue box, that also is great. Okay. Is that okay, Tushita?
Yes.
Okay. So everybody else, you all have things with you so that to next
See, we
when
don't need. So Mataji, my actually we don't have a shoebox.
okay, you might have an Amazon box. That's the reason I told you we'll take it slowly. But today the activity will be a little bit different. But what I want you all to do is for this
What?
activity, which will be starting next week, you can I'll give you a homework, what all you have to do, okay?
Then what
Don't
about
worry about
this?
it.
I thought we should use that for the activity. This paper.
Today I'm going to have a different activity for you all, okay? Let me do, yeah, let me do something which is going to be linked to today's Kartik Mas, okay? So I'm going to show you that at the end. What is this? I'm going. 1 second.
Mataji, I just figured out that Zoom made a mistake and thought like the markings on my t-shirt were a mistake, were like
Markings
something
on.
else, and they got and then like they thought it was a virtual background, so I now have like a motion picture like on my shirt, like
Oh, is it?
yeah, for some reason
That's okay.
in the Zoom, but in real life no.
Okay, let us see, okay? So now what are we going to do is, let me do one thing for you all. So let me first, okay, first I'll show you what activity we are going to do, and then we will, okay, wait. Okay, how many of you know what mass is going on right now? Which is the Kartik Mass is going on, right? Damodar Mass is going on. So,
Kartik Mas.
yes. So, next we will have, you know what, there are so many things to do along with you is, okay, so Bala Vrinda has some lipstick put on her face. Yesterday one of my students came to school because they have their exams are done, right? So then they have to submit the papers. And that girl, whenever she is there, just like how Balavrinda has the lipstick on her lips, right? That's not the real lipstick. That's just the fake one.
Yeah,
Okay.
this is a fake one.
Yeah,
Mataji.
it's a big one.
Yeah, it is a fake one. It is there on the screen. You do it something, and then it directly identifies where your lips are, and then it makes you look like you're wearing a lipstick. So that girl also, she had some way, she figured it out, and she had that all different colored lipsticks always in the classes. And then I was so mad one day that I
Mataji,
just
I
removed.
know how to do that. I can put lipstick on myself right about now.
So then
I
she
know
did
it'll
that.
be hilarious, but
Yeah, so
like
she
in a
did.
second.
That's so funny.
Yeah, she did that. And the funniest part was she forgot how she could undo that. That means putting on the lipstick was one thing, but she did not know how to remove it. And because of that, what happened, when her dad was using the same laptop for his meetings, it showed as if he was wearing those colored lipsticks. So, so then when I asked her, which color lipstick are you going to have today? And her dad was like, because of her, now I'm also having problems. Those lipstick comes on my face also when I go for my meetings. And what is it on Suraj's glasses?
I just gave myself fake eyebrows.
Fake eyebrows. Say, look how virtual this world is, right? You can do anything and everything. Okay, so
And I
what?
just gave myself lipstick.
No, that's
Mataji, I
weird.
got
Don't do
lipstick
that.
on.
No, don't do that.
Guys,
Everybody remove
That-
those
that
lipsticks
actually
from
looks-
your over there.
you.
Already there is a lot of sense gratification in
Mataji,
this
same
world.
thing happened with me. Vrinda put the lipstick. I didn't check. I did like that only in Damodar class. I got so many messages from Mataji. What is that, Mataji? So much lipstick on your face. Later, I recognized that Vrinda did that. I didn't even recognize. I didn't.
I have eyebrows.
In school, how students are like, if one person does something, look at Balavrinda, don't do that. I want to see you
Oh,
all
did
small
you
kids
see
only.
that? Did you see that? There were like the
Her
lips
face,
and
her
the
face looks
eyebrows
like it
just
totally
fell.
Okay, I'll give you 1 minute. I'll give you 1 minute. Everybody remove all those fancy things. Already we have a lot of sense gratification in this world. We do not want the virtual world also to become like this. Remove
Okay,
all those fancy
Mataji,
things.
I don't want orange eyebrows anyway.
I do not want any eyebrows for you. Whatever you have is good enough. Okay, Balavrinda, remove that eyebrows. Okay. So what we are going to do today is, because it is Kartik month, what I want you all to do is, what are you all offering to Damodar Lord, to Lord Damodar? What are we offering?
We're giving
Ghee lamp, right?
Gila.
So, yeah, ghee lamps we are offering. Yeah, offering sweets. Yeah, so what, but basically is the ghee lamp, right? So what we'll do is we'll start with a story related to this, okay?
Mataji,
Yes.
I offer to the Lord. I offer fruits, sweet fruits, and then mangoes, and then pineapples, and then I give the Lord some sweets.
Very good. Very good.
And we give water.
Very good. Can everyone do one thing? Because it is Damodar month going on. Is it okay if we can chant at least 5 times everyone together? Okay? Everyone? Okay, at least 5 rounds. How many of you want to do 5 rounds? How many of you want to do 11 rounds?
Mataji, I did only 7 rounds.
7 rounds. Oh, no, not whole rounds. We're just saying 5 times or 11 times. Very nice.
I do 14 times.
14 times. Okay.
14 rounds. Not times, 14 rounds. 7.
Krishna. Very nice.
Mataji, I do one.
Okay. So what we all will do is, let us, along with you kids, well, I know many of them are doing your rounds, but as a Kartik vow. What is it? Vow means what you do is that you decide one thing. Okay, you decide one thing and you very religiously follow that thing for a whole month.
Yes, like going to Mangalarti every morning.
Yeah, anything, whichever is feasible, whichever is doable for you all. See to it that you can start small. Okay, some of them they take a vow, okay, that I'm not going to eat sweets. Some of them say that, okay, I'm not going to use my phone. Okay, anything which is a disturbance for you in your bhakti, you can try to take it off. Or anything which you feel is very dear to you, and I am so used to it, I'm so accustomed to it, and I cannot live without it, and which is not really good for your bhakti. What we can do is we can keep it away for some time. Okay. So now what we will do is, instead of one second, Krishna Nana, instead of keeping things away, let us try to include things first. Okay. So at least every day, how many of you can do one round? One round means 108 times saying the Mahamantra. Okay, Samskriti can do, Vishwa can do. Everybody can do it?
Yes, Mataji.
Very good. Very nice. Okay,
Samskriti
yes.
does 8 rounds, Mataji, every day.
Wow. When do you do it, Samskriti?
After I come back from school.
Very nice. Very nice. So just to start with everyone, all of our students together, okay, we'll start with one round, okay? Is that okay, everyone?
Okay, Mataji. Yes, Mataji.
Yeah. Krishna Nana, you wanted to say something?
I wanted to say, about like how you said like avoiding those like things that like distractions. I want to say that Facebook for everybody is actually a distraction because lots of people go on it. They see the news, and my mom kind of does it. My mom's saying she wants to stop Facebook for some time.
Right. Yeah. Yeah. Somebody was saying something?
Yes, Mataji, can Shubhadra.
Yes, Subhadra?
So actually, I think I forgot what I was about to say, but actually, I think I know what I was about to say. So actually, are you talking about the whole round, 108
Yes,
rounds?
108 times making is one round. So today what I just told is like we'll just start with saying the at least just not one whole round, but at least 11 times we'll start and then we'll go ahead with our class. Just let me get my
11
chanting. Okay.
So we're not gonna go to 108, just 11.
1 second. What I did is
Mataji, what is 11 rounds? What does that mean?
11 times you're going to say the Mahamantra.
Ah, okay, I got it now. But I don't get it. I know one round means 108.
Yes, so not rounds.
11 rounds is
Yes.
when you do 1,188. Yeah,
No, Suraj. Mataji means 11 rounds is 11 Mahamantras, not 108 Mahamantras.
Yes.
What Mataji means is one round is one time Mahamantra.
Okay. So at least for, yeah. On these beads, when I say that if I to take it 11 times, if I do it, okay, just 11 beads. Let us start small, okay? Because there are many of us. Rudra, Hari Bol.
Mataji.
So many of them are there. Advait, Khushi, if you all also can come on video, it would be really, really great. Hi, Krishna. Nice to see you, Rudra. Okay. So what we'll do is slowly, and because so that I do not have to keep a count on my hands. So this is also good. Okay. So at least 11 times we can start everyone. And everyone has a different pace. So you can start at your own pace. Okay. Somebody is saying slow, somebody is saying fast. So you can do it. But just when you're saying it, see to it that you're listening the mantra. Okay. That does not mean I say Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Like that, I will go and sleep then. Instead of that, I'll have it. Okay. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Okay. You can have your own pace. Yeah, somebody was saying something.
It's me, Mataji, it's me, Krishnanera. Actually, tomorrow I'm going to West Virginia, so it takes 5 hours to get there. So in that 5 hours, I can probably do like, my mom said probably like 30 rounds or something.
I know last week when it was 2nd of October, I had to travel, and it was, I think, 3.5 hours. And I was I was just chanting on that, and I felt so nice about it. You know,
And
my professor said that
Mataji,
you can listen to some class or put on your headphones and listen to some class. But on the other hand, I thought like chanting would be the best. So 3.5 hours going and 3.5 hours coming back. The whole time I was so happy that I could chant.
how many
So
rounds
see,
did
traveling
you
is so,
do?
see, everything has a good and a bad side, right? So
Mhm.
if you're traveling, if you feel traveling, it's so boring, but it's not boring if you can use that again in the service of the Lord. It is such a best thing to do, right?
Mhm.
Okay, let's start now. Okay. Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shri Vasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna,
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna,
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare,
Hare
Hare
Rama,
Rama,
Rama
Rama Rama,
Rama,
Hare Krishna, Hare
Hare
Krishna,
Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna
Hare
Krishna,
Krishna,
Hare Hare,
Hare
Hare
Hare,
Rama,
Hare Ram,
Hare
Hare Ram, Ram Ram,
Hare
Hare Hare, Hare
Krishna,
Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare
Hare Krishna,
Krishna,
Hare
Krishna
Krishna,
Hare
Krishna
Ram, Hare
Krishna,
Ram, Ram
Hare
Ram,
Ram,
Hare
Hare
Hare,
Ram, Ram Ram,
Hare Krishna, Krishna
Hare
Krishna,
Krishna,
Hare
Hare
Ram, Hare Ram,
Krishna,
Ram Ram,
Krishna
Hare
Rama, Hare
Hare,
Hare Krishna,
Hare
Krishna
Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare
Hare
Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare,
Hare
Hare
Krishna,
Krishna,
Hare
Hare
Krishna,
Krishna,
Krishna
Krishna Krishna, Hare
Krishna,
Hare, Hare
Hare
Ram, Ram Ram, Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare,
Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare
Hare
Krishna,
Ram, Ram Ram,
Krishna
Hare Hare,
Krishna,
Hare Krishna, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Ram,
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Rama, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Rama, Hare
Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Ram Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Krishna Hare Krishna, Ram Hare
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 Krishna, Hare
Ram, Hare
Krishna,
Ram,
Krishna
Ram
Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare
Hare
Ram,
Krishna,
Hare
Krishna
Hare.
Krishna, Hare
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare,
Hare Krishna,
Ram
Hare
Ram,
Krishna,
Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare
Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram,
Krishna Krishna Hare
Hare
Ram
Ram.
Hare Ram Ram
Hare
Ram
Ram,
Hare
Hare Ram, Ram Ram,
Hare Krishna, Hare
Oh,
Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare
Hare
Ram,
Ram, Hare
Hare
Ram,
Ram, Ram
Ram
Ram,
Ram,
Hare Hare, Hare
Hare
Hare.
Krishna,
Hare
Krishna Krishna Hare Hare Ram Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare
Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna
Hare
Krishna,
Krishna,
Hare
Hare
Ram, Ram
Ram
Ram, Hare Hare.
Hare
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Hare Ram, Ram Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Forgot. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna
Hare Krishna,
Hare
Hare Krishna,
Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare
Hare
Krishna,
Krishna,
Krishna
Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Ram Hare Hare, Krishna Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Ram Ram. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram,
Hare
Ram
Ram,
Hare
Hare
Hare.
Ram,
Hare
Ram
Krishna, Hare
Hare
Krishna, Hare Ram,
Hare Ram, Ram Hare
Hare
Hare,
Ram, Hare Krishna, Hare
Hare
Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram,
Hare
Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Hare Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram,
Ram Ram Hare Hare
Hare
Krishna Hare Krishna Krishna
Krishna,
Hare
Krishna
Hare
Hare
Ram Ram Hare Hare Krishna
Ram,
Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare Krishna Hare Krishna Hare Krishna Hare Ram 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 Hare 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 Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare Krishna Hare Krishna Ram 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 Hare
Shri
Hare
Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita
Hare
Gadadhar Srivasadi Gaur Bhaktivinoda.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna,
Very nice, very nice. See, you all have done such a beautiful chanting, such wonderful chanting. And you know what is more important today? That see, we wanted to do okay, only 11 times we wanted to chant, but then because everybody was so enthusiastic that we did a whole round, right? One whole round for chanting. So, this is what is important, that because of somebody else, if you are getting that motivation that yes, I want to do more, then that is the best way. Or all our
Mataji,
acharyas
I
or all our
forgot you
gurus,
said 11 and I just did one round.
yes, we all, because then I saw that everybody was so enthusiastic in chanting. So I thought like, okay, let's then just complete one round. And that was such a beautiful
Mataji,
thing. Yes.
I chanted eight. I chanted my eighth round in 10 minutes and 59 seconds.
Okay, very nice.
Mataji,
Mataji, I took 10 minutes to finish one round.
it's not
That's
possible
okay.
to do. It's not
That's
possible
okay.
to do 8 rounds in 10 minutes.
That's okay. That's
I
okay.
think
You
what
know
he
what?
meant by rounds, I think he means like
Yes, one round. One round.
Mahamantra.
Yes.
Wait,
Very
are
good,
you
Kushita.
doing
Very
like
nice, Kushita.
Samskriti? Are you doing like the mini rounds, which are like a fourth of a normal round, where like there are only like 27 beads?
Suraj, small kids will say like that only. Vrinda also will sit and chant 2 minutes and say, "Mommy, I finished 16 rounds." You know, that is their enthusiasm. Okay, we can say, "Good job, very good." That's it. We know that
Okay.
it is not possible, right?
And
Yeah, I don't think I can do that.
yeah. So that's okay. Like I see you have the desire to chant. That itself is very nice to start with. So Devi, did you love the chanting?
Yes, Mataji.
Very
Also,
nice.
Mataji, can I mute? There are some bad stuff going on in the background.
Yeah, that's okay. That's okay. Okay. So now what we will do is we did chanting. We talked about the Damodar month, what we were doing. So let us first just go with our revision verses. Okay. Let me check 1 second. Okay, just hold on. Just wait. I think I'm missing something. So let me just confirm that. If I'm not wrong, 5.18 is also there. Let me just check over with me. Just hold on 1 minute. Just give me 1 minute. Okay. We are good. Okay, everybody can see the slide?
Yes, Mataji, we can see your slides.
Okay,
Yes,
so what we are going to do, yeah, what we are going to do is, yes, Tushita. Yes, Tushita.
I can't see the slide.
You cannot see the slide?
No.
Why? Okay, did I? Wait.
Mataji, maybe she have to swipe her phone. Sometimes if she's in the gallery, she cannot see. She have to swipe to the main window, so then it will be seen. We are all able to see your PPT. Now it stopped actually.
Yes, I just stopped it so that she can figure it out. Now, can you see it, Tushita?
Yes.
Okay. Now, what we will do is we will just go over our verses from 5.18, okay, for the 5th chapter, so that whenever we start, we can start with our 6th chapter, okay?
Mataji, can I see the sloka?
Yeah, 1 second, okay? So let me have all you over here. Yes, go ahead, Krishna Nena.
Vidya Vinaya Sampanne Brahmane Kavihastini Suni Chaiva Svapake Cha Pandita Samadarshina.
Very good. Thank you so much, Krishna Nena. Okay. Deepak and Kaushiki, you want to say this?
Yes, Mataji. Vidya
Sampanne
Sampanne
Brahmane Gavihastini
Brahma Vega Vyasni Sunya Suni
Chaiva Swapaka Swapake Cha
Kavya Swapaka
Pandita Samdarshina
Pandisa
Samadarshina.
Mataji, can Advait say?
Wait 1 second, okay? Yes, Tanvik and Advait, can you both go together?
Okay. विद्या विनय संपन्ने ब्राह्मणे गविहस्तिनि सुनीचैव
स्वपाके च पंडिता समदर्शिना.
Very good. This swapakecha is a little bit tricky. When you say suni chaiva swapakecha, so you have to go a little bit slow. Otherwise, because this chaiva has come over here, right? So again, this vowel, when it comes, it becomes a little bit tongue twister for us. Yes. Sudevi and Suraj, can you go ahead with this verse?
विद्या विनय
या संपन्ने या ब्रह्मणे गाविहस्तिनि सुनीचैव स्वपाके च पंडिता समदर्शिना.
Very good. Sudevi, can you say it? I didn't hear you.
विद्या विनय संपन्ने ब्राह्मणे गविहस्तिनि शुनि चैव स्वपाके च पंडिताः समदर्शिनः. Thank you, Mataji.
Very good. Then we have Mukund. I was missing you. I was just thinking about you. Okay. Khushi and Rudra, can you both go together?
विद्या विनय संपन्ने ब्राह्मणे गविहस्तिनि सुनीचैव स्वपाके च पंडिता समदर्शिना. Mataji, I haven't done these slokas before.
You have done it or not?
I haven't.
Who is this?
Rudra?
Yeah, Rudra. 1 second, okay? Okay, yeah. Rudra, you can go ahead.
Vidya
Vinaya
Vidya
Vinaya Sampanne.
Vidya Vinaya Sampanne
Brahmane.
Gavihastini
Gavihastini.
Gavihastini Sunichaiva
Swapakecha Pandita Samadarshana.
Vidya Vinaya Pandita Samadarshana.
Very good, very good.
Thank you, Mataji. Pandita Samadarshana.
Yeah. Samita was there. Where did she go? Subhadra and Girdhari, can you go ahead?
Yes, Mataji. Vidya Vinaya Sampanne Brahmane Gavihastini Sunichaiva Swapake cha Pandita Samadarshana. Thank you, Mataji.
Very good. Tushita, do you want to go ahead, say the verse?
Mataji, I need help.
Okay, can you repeat after me then?
Yes.
Okay, let me see if Samhita is also there. I saw Samhita somewhere. Okay, I think she got disconnected. Okay. Vidya Vinaya Sampanne.
Vidya Vinaya Sampanne.
Brahmane Gavihastini.
Brahmane Gavihastini.
Sunichaiva.
Sunichaiva.
Swapakecha. Pandita Samadarshinaha. Very good. Hari bol. Mukund, are you there or are you in your class?
Mataji, I am there.
Can you recite the verse, Mukund?
Yes, Mataji. Vidya Vinaya Sampanne Brahmane Gavihastini Sunichaiva Swapake cha Pandita Samadarshana. Hare Krishna.
Very good. Hari bol. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll go with the next verse, okay? Okay. Okay, I'm going to lower all the hands first so that whoever wants to start first can go ahead. Okay, anybody wants to start?
Mataji, can I please go first, please?
Yes, Tanvik, go ahead.
ये हि संपर्शजा भोगा दुःखयोन ते
Evate.
एवते आदि अतवन्ता
Antavantah.
कौन्तेय
Antavantah.
अन्तवन्तः कौन्तेय न तेषु रमते बुधा.
Very
Thank
good.
you, Mataji.
Hi, bol. Okay. Tushita and Kaushik, can you do it with me together? Kaushik, no. Who is this? Deepak. Tushita and Deepak, can you do it along with me?
Yes, Mataji.
Tushita, are you there? Okay. Yehi
Yehi
samasparshaja bhoga.
samasparshaja bhuga.
Okay, Tushita, you also can recite along with me. Yehi
Dehi
samasparsha
Samaspasha
ja bhoga
Yavoga
dukkhayona
Dukkhayona
evate
evate
adya
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 antavantaha
antavantaha
kaunteya
kaunteya
adya antavantaha kaunteya
adya antavantaha kaunteya
nateshu
Nateshu
ramate buddha.
Ramate Buddha.
Very good. Very nice. So then we have Sudevi and Advait. Can you go together?
Okay, Mataji. Yehi sampasya bhoga dukkha yanaya evate adyata advanta kantaya nate badu
Buddha.
buddha.
Very good. Okay. Khushi and Krishna Nena, can you both go together?
Mataji, I need little help to do it.
Yeah. Tushita, did you say it?
Yes, Mataji.
Very good. Haribol. Then we have Khushi and Krishna Nena. Can you both go together? Where did Krishna Nena go?
I'm here, Mataji.
Yeah, go ahead, Krishna Nena.
Yehi Samaspasya
Bhoga
Yehi Samsparshaja Bhoga Dukkha Yonaya Evate Adya Antavanta Kanteya Natesu Ramate Buddha.
Very good, Krishna Nena. Khushi, you can say it loudly also, beta. No worries. You can say loudly.
I don't know how to say it.
Who is it?
Kaushi.
Khushi or Kaushiki?
Kaushiki.
Okay. Khushi and Kaushiki, do you want to repeat after me?
Yes.
Okay. Rudra, do you also want to repeat after me?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay. Please repeat after me, okay? Ye hi samasparsha
Yehi sampasya
ja bhoga.
bhoga
Ye hi samasparsha ja bhoga.
yehi sampasya bhoga
Dukkha
dukkha
yona evate
evate
adya
aditya
antavantah kaunteya
antavantah kaunteya
nateshu
nateshu
ramate buddha.
ramate buddha.
Very good. Everybody has got a chance to say this verse. Who did not get? Okay, everybody's got it. Okay, so we'll let move to the next one. Okay. Can we all say this together? Bhoktaram yat tapasam Yatva mam shantim Yatva nam shantim richati. Very good. Again, we all will say it together. Okay, 3 times we'll say it together so that we can go to the next verse. Bhoktaram yajna tapasam sarvalokamaheshwaram Surdam sarvabhutanam Yatva mam shantim richati. Okay, so now we'll go with the next one. Yes. Okay, we'll say this all together now. Okay. No, I think we said this verse, right? Okay, so I think we are done with the 5th. Wait, let me just go and check it. Okay, 5.1. 9. Yes, we did the 3 verses. Okay, so what we are going to do is, I want you all to, yes, see, because we are having Kartik month, we are offering Lord Damodar a lamp, right? Everyone, can you see the slide?
Yes,
You have a paper and pencil with you?
yes, Mataji.
So this is the easy way how we can draw a diya, okay, or how we can draw a lamp, because we are offering Lord Damodar a lamp. So just let's draw a lamp, color it properly, and keep it near Lord Damodar for the whole day, so that at least from start you know that the whole day a lamp is going to be offered to Lord Damodar. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm showing you 2-3 things how they have drawn. Okay, so this is one easy way, this is one more way. Which do you want me to project, this one or this one?
Yeah, but Krishna, you have to do
with
it
the
properly.
pencils,
You
Mataji?
can't sit and draw here. और
Okay,
दोनों
so
में से
this
कौन
is
सा
also
ड्रा
one
करना
more.
मैं पूछ रही हूँ. This one you have to
I'll
option.
keep
This
this.
one and this one. This one
I'll keep this.
and this one.
And if you want to make it more fancy, see, this is also there. So that is again
But
your.
this is difficult.
So let us first do with the easy one.
This one?
Okay,
This is easy.
this is easy for you all. Tushita, is this good?
Yes.
Okay. So everyone can start drawing. I'll also draw myself. Okay, I'll also take a pencil and paper, and you can color it in a beautiful way. Let me also get my supplies.
Mataji, Mom is drawing for Raghav and I'm drawing for myself. Mataji, can you go to the 12th slide? Can you go to
Once
that slide?
I'll show you that as well. Okay.
Just play.
You want to take a photo of this?
I already took a screenshot.
Okay, okay. So I'll just have this also, okay? Yeah, let me do one thing for you all. Let me.
Mataji, can you go to slide 13, please? Yes,
Yeah,
Daddy.
one second. Yeah, is this good?
Yeah.
Is this good?
Mataji, can you go to To slide 13, please.
Yeah, beta. I've put up both these slides on one go. Is that okay, Tanvik?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so see, both of them are in one go. So whoever wants to do it from the 12th slide, you can have this one. Who wants to do from the 14th, we can do this one. Okay.
Can you take these rubber bands? It broke.
This sketch page search करो.
Not yet. We have to draw.
What? Where? Where? Can't hear there. What is it? ये चुप. It is quiet.
Because people are drawing. They are muted. They
Did you
muted.
mute?
Mataji, I'm done drawing my lamp. Can I show you right now?
Yes, 1 second. Okay. And also send it in the group. Okay.
Okay.
If you can color it also, that would also be good.
Mataji, I'm going to show you right now.
Yes, 1 second. Okay. I'll just spotlight you.
Okay. Mataji, this is what Raghav drew. Mom wrote it for Raghav, and so this is my drawing. Can you see it?
Oh, yes. I can see you did the peacock one, huh?
That
Very
is
nice.
peacock.
Yes.
So
And you
Raghav,
can-
I'm going to trace Raghav's one because then we can color it.
Okay.
Mataji,
Yes.
I'm done next to Sheeta.
Yeah, let me spotlight you. Okay.
We are drawing my one.
I'm helping
Can you take it a little bit behind so that I can see? Yes, beautiful, beautiful. If you want, you can color it with crayons also. Okay. Very nice, Sushita.
Mataji, can I show
Yes. Yes.
my drawing?
Yes,
What's
Rudra. 1 second. Okay, let me spotlight you. Yes. Show me Rudra. 1 second. Very nice. Very nice. Yeah, you can also color it. Okay. So it would look. Deepak and Kaushiki, are you done?
Thank you, Mataji.
Hi, ball.
Yes, Mataji.
You want to show me? Okay, let me
Yes,
spotlight you. Very nice, Deepak. Very nice. You can color it, okay?
Thank you, Mataji.
Kaushiki has also done a peacock one. Very nice. Very nice. Beautiful.
Thank you.
You all are talented.
Yes, Mataji.
Subhadra, Girdhari, Mukund, if you have done, you can show it to me, okay? Very nice. I'll show mine. I'll also be coloring it. I don't think so it would be very visible. If it is visible properly.
Mataji, can you go to the peacock slide? The one with the peacock?
Yes. Okay, let me show. Okay, mine might not be visible because it's just with the pencil, but I'll also share it in the group. Okay. Yeah, the peacock one is this. You make the same diya, but then you just add the peacock feathers in a straight line. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'll send this screenshot in the group, and then I'll send this screenshot in the group. Okay. So then you all can keep on doing it and then share it. Very nice, Subhadra Giridhari. Very nice. Okay, because it is 7:30 for you all, many of you, and most of them are having their dinner. Yes, right, Krishna Naina?
For me, it's not 7:30. It's 8:34.
8:30. Okay. Okay, so I'll send those screenshots in the group, and you all can draw it and then send it to me. Send it on the group. Okay. Should we just end the call quickly?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes,
One.
Mataji. Kalpata Robhyasha Kripa Sindhu Hare Krishna Mataji. See you next class.
Hari Bol
Hare
Raga.
Krishna, Mataji. Thank you.
Hare Krishna.
Mataji, Raghav did this one actually. He did this. Mom drew it for Raghav and he just colored it.
Very nice, Raghav. Very nice. Are all budding artists. Very nice. Good job, Raghav. Good job. Awesome.
My mom drew it and my mom was helping him to color
Yes,
it.
Raghav. Yes. Very nice. Good job. Good job. Good job. Hari Bol. Hari Bol.
Thank you. Mataji,
Yes.
it is not night time. It's not time for me to have
I know it's morning for us, but over there in US it's evening, right?
Yeah.
So
Do you live in US?
No, I'm not in US. I'm in India. So then for me also it's morning. Okay.
Okay.
Hari Bol. I'm ending the call. Okay. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Hari Bol.